Hello everybody, my name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. In this video today we will show you how to identify what cylinder you have in your Leap chair. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3,
Alrighty, so here I am with the chair. The only tool I need is a flathead screwdriver about 8 to 10 inches in length. And the first step I'm going to do is pull the seat all the way to its forward position, grabbing the seat depth lever, pulling forward on the seat. I'm going to spin the chair around. And in order to remove the seat, we're going to use our flathead screwdriver and insert it down here behind the seat. And you'll see a white clip that we're going to engage and press up on it, and the seat will slide off. So I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. So here I have a view of the seat with it already removed from the chair, kind of giving a little up close view of what I'm hitting with my screwdriver. And I'm looking for this tab right here. I'm looking to press it into the plastic, or into the metal. Just like that. So I'm coming in from this side right here. Just like that. Alright, so here I have an up-close view on how to remove the seat from behind the chair. I do have the chair pulled in this forward position with the seat depth all the way forward. I'm going to grab my long flathead screwdriver. I'm going to be looking for the white tab, which is located on the left side of the chair, just behind, right about there. So you can look down there. I'll get you a better view in 1 second here. I've got my screwdriver right on the tab. I'm just going to press up a little bit on it. Give it a little pound in there. Alrighty, from here, set the chair down. I'm going to come here with the seat depth lever. I'm going to pull up on it and pull it off the chair itself. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. Here I have a view with the seat removed, and what we're going to do is look down the cylinder housing, which is going to be this hole right here. It's going to get you a clear view of the cylinder and tell you exactly what kind of cylinder your chair has. So this particular model is a side activated cylinder. I can tell by the way it's positioned in the chair. It has one lever on the side, which is activated by the handle here, and it pushes in from the side this way. So this would be a side activated cylinder for your Leap chair. Here we have an example of a cone cylinder, and as you can see it does look a little bit different than a side activated cylinder or from a top activated cylinder. As you can tell, there's no set screw for your Allen key to go into. That's only for a top activated cylinder, and I see no lever on the side here. So this tells me this is a cone cylinder. Kind of got a little cone shape to it. The next option we have here is going to be a top activated cylinder. Option B is a top activated cylinder. And the reason I know this is it looks a little bit different looking down the cylinder housing. You don't see the side lever. You see what you call a set screw. And that's going to be this little piece in the middle here. That's going to be your set screw. It's not really a Phillips or a flathead screw. It's actually an Allen key, 1/8 inch. And what that does is you can adjust that up and down, and that actually activates the top head of the cylinder and gets it to raise up and down. So you will see a set screw that looks like this for a top activated cylinder. Okay, we are ready to put the seat back on the chair. I have my glides on my left and my right side all set up. I'm going to be matching these glides up right here with these glides right here. So I'm going to go and insert both ends of my glides right here, just like so. Get it lined up. Grab the seat depth lever. Once we kind of feel both glides are on, we're going to pull up on it and push the seat all the way back. And then we can test it to make sure it doesn't slide off. And the seat is back on. Alrighty, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Alright.
ready.
Let's make a little movement so it doesn't look so like same spot. There we go. Ready? Okay. Okay, so that outro is tough. Okay, ready? All right. Okay, oh, excuse me. Okay. So here I will show you how to, oh, excuse me, I like that. I'm gonna,